candidate for, and you have campaigned in much millions of districts. So what are the things?
Well, I'm the only one. I'm the only one to be called truly a independent candidate in Mizoram. In fact, I have traveled with my own limited team to Mizoram. I have found that the people are really eager for a change, political change. And since I don't have any base, political or say grassroots level, so I do my own way, motivate people, make them understand that MP, single MP, is not for a political consideration. So I've been asking people to support me through their heart, not through their registration in a political party.
You're going to be up again 2 years from candidate and Veteran Congress. So how confident are you on this decision?
See, as a practicing Christian, I don't see them, I don't see this size. I remember a story of Goliath and David. David was small, he was inexperienced. Goliath was big, well equipped. But David could kill Goliath, So in the similar way, it's not ultimately what counts is not the party size or the networking of the party. What counts is the votes. So the people, I'm expecting that no matter where they belong, whether they are MNF or Congress, I hope with a clear mind, kind heart, they will vote for me. So I'm just waiting for 11 April and then 23rd May. So I'm quite confident in my own way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.